Support our law enforcement. Your call for support of ICE is refreshing. We should support all our law enforcement agencies. In fact, we should support all our government bodies. This does not mean that we can't question decisions some of them make. It also does not mean that we cannot speak out about the conduct which some of them exhibit. But it does mean that they should not be ridiculed, derided, scorned, or in some other way belittled. They are doing tough jobs under often very thankless circumstances. I'm sure that ICE knows that they are the cause célèbre of the moment, and should things change, you will change your tune. You've been very wishy-washy, unreliable, and so often changeable that most of us have whiplash from trying to follow your tweets. ICE is aware that sooner or later you will begin heaping ridicule on them, just like you have so many of their colleagues in law enforcement. The irony is that you, as president, command so many of the agencies which you disparage. They follow your instructions and are doing the very best they can within the guidelines laid down by the law. If you do not like what is happening, don't call them names. Your disdain is painful for us who watch on the sidelines. I can only imagine how much it must hurt those who day after day lay their lives on the line. Your role is to give direction, not derision. You are to give hope, not heap scorn. You are to help them, not hurt them, which is exactly what I'm afraid is happening. As you pointed out in your tweet, they are the front lines against some very bad people. ICE is not the only one serving this purpose, and yet I have no doubt that those very same bad people gain encouragement from you. They probably think that if you hold those who are charged with apprehending them in such low regard, why should they respect them? There's that word, respect. All aspects of law enforcement community deserve and need our respect. You, too, should respect them. Once those bad people see we are united in our support and respect, they'll be less bold at going up against these fine men and women who each day try to keep us safe and make sure that these bad people are behind bars where they belong.